Kurukshetra Warriors. They've just won a game. They want to change it up. Let's look at their start. And joining me in the commentary, we have Naveen. Hello, Naveen.
Good to the Vasco Vipers. So probably we need to change that countdown very, very soon. But Sachin Jagbir, the solo share in the Kurukshetra's lineup. He can only do what his teams can also ask him to do. Diving hand touch attempted on Gautam Murugan. And he blocks him, but he just goes over. He flips him over and goes over it. Sattivel, Thangavelu, Rajpal, Jaipal and Gautam Murugan. I guess 3-4 points, I guess. Oh, the solo share has hit it out of the way and out of the mat. It's 4 defenders right out. Well, what a fabulous super race to begin it. And that's why I said even in the team entries, एक single share कुरुक्षेत्र Warriors के लिए आकर दिखाएगा अपना खेल. See, this is what happens.
Well, Naveen, as we see this India 1 ATM star moment, you were explaining the meaning of Mao to me, and looks like the raid.
The share is roaring here for the Kurukshetra Warriors. And now only 2 raiders left on the mat. Kesavan Raja needs to do really something here. But Sahil Ari, has he also got a bonus? Yes, bonus +1. Sahil Ari had to hold himself back. Corner for sure. There he goes in. Oh, hang on. Don't go towards Gautam Murugan. And don't allow him the angle for the dash. Now that's what I want Sachin Jagbir to do. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Attack Gautam Murugan. Don't show your back to Gautam Murugan as he will come in for the block. As I said, Gautam Murugan for the East My Trip super tackle. And I liked what Sachin Jagbir did. He appreciated Gautam Murugan. He tapped on his back. Now watch this on the replay there, Ryan.
It was in such a way that they wanted Gautam to come that way, and it's just beautiful to see sport coming through, be it any. And now Karambir Thakur for Kurukshetra Warriors will try something different. But Naveen, it was a 5-0 start for the Kurukshetra Warriors, and the Palni Tuskers have quickly gotten back into this game, showing their true premise here.
Very true. Yeah, that's the rampaging elephants as always. They might be pulled back, but here Karambir Thakur on the first raid. Shaktivel Thangavelu was trying to create a confusion, but he falls in his own trap. Yeah, see, on your finger as well. So watch out for that acid in a science laboratory. That's what Karnan told him. And that reverse ankle hold working well. Sachin Jagbir is revived with that tackle as well here, right? And he will go back on the bench. And this is a perfect East My Trip super tackle. He's still struggling. And against Gautam Murugan, he's saying, give it up, my friend. And he has given up. That's it. Nice diving ankle hold from Surya Saravanan, the defender from the bench, diving away. And it was an East My Trip super tackle.
No neck holding.
No neck holding. That's the little warning to Gautam Murugan. Was he neck holding him? Let's see. Yeah, the struggle. Oh, yeah, there was. A little. But then when you're in that struggle, it's definitely India 1's left corner. Rahul Puria comes in. Can we have a look at the first raid again? That'll be really interesting after this though, because it's a super tackle situation. And 2 strong defenders there run. Oh, well, hang on. Somebody's raised their hand. Karambir Thakur is struggling because the whistle has not gone by. Can he go away? Can he kick it away? And make sure that the all-out is inflicted. Gautam Murugan is playing his life out there. He got up and he goes in. And the defender will be given out the all-out as well. Hang on. Yeah, it's 2 + 2, 4. But most importantly, there was a defender who was raising their hand up. A defender, I think Gautam Murugan has already gone out of the lobby. So any which ways, that struggle was nice. Gautam Murugan played his life out, his breath out in blocking Karambir Thakur. And this is the first all-out after Kannan's arrival. Now, who went into the lobby? I don't see anybody going into the lobby there. But a definite India 1 star moment of the match for Karambir Thakur there. He was standing, he was getting up, he was blocking Karambir Thakur. And even Surya Saravanan did not let that go. But then the final push as Karambir Thakur moved over and inflicted the all-out out of his left hand. the Kurukshetra Warriors. This has been a good match. They've started off well because of that 4-point raid from Sachin Jagbir. As I said, he's a single share who's done really well. And for the Kurukshetra Warriors, of course, Ram, Rahul and Oma there as the dash has come out nicely.
In and out. 1 point. Palni Tuskers.
The medicos have not advised him to play. Bhumanand Hospital people and Sai Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences, both of them have said not to
In and
take the
out.
field,
1 point.
at least for this
Kurukshetra Warriors.
5-6 minutes. But he wants pause. His meniscus has a strain. It's not a tear. Thankfully, it is not a tear. It's a meniscus strain, but still, that has been stretched. So he should not go ahead and strain it more. Yeah, I wanted to go under the chain. The right corner comes across. In fact, the right flank completely comes in. And that right knee of Sachin Jagbir as he runs. Yeah, there you can realize that pace. This battalion falls on him. So yeah, I understand what you need to do, what you are also saying, Ryan. Take the advice from the medicos, but the Josh, the Jajba, the Junoon and everything to the players, and of course that Jahan that I keep saying. Well, Harish Kamachi, can he find a way out? No, he can't. He's my trip super tackle.
In and out.
And that's
2
Rahul
point
Puria,
attack. 2 points.
a raider
Kurukshetra
who's
Warriors.
attempting a super tackle now on Harish Kamachi. What an action-packed match.
Action-packed, the apt term for the match, and a big term here. I think this should definitely be a contender for being the star moment, because it was a very good chance for a raider to get away from.
Can we go back to that one as Ilan Chilian has come on in. He's had a hand touch on Karambir Thakur. Well, at
1
the
point,
last
Palni Tuskers.
second,
Number
it's
15 out.
16 all in the first half. And very interesting to see if Abhi Kumar crossed the balk line. Did he cross the balk line?
Half time.
Wait, hang on. If there is no touch, did he?
But those two all-out points, the all-out inflicted.
Second half, and Ranjit Madan Mohan wanted to go in for the raid, and somewhere Ilan Tendril was carrying the defense away. Oh, no.
Number 10,
Come
number
on.
10, number 10.
Ranjit Madan Mohan has another chance for the all-out to be inflicted. Rohit Sharawat, he should have pushed Ranjit away. And now because Sailari is the lone man standing, nice
2
back
plus
kick.
2, 4
What
points.
good thinking
Palni
from
Tuskers.
Ranjit Madan Mohan.
All out.
Superb.
Kurukshetra Warriors.
And the rampaging elephants have inflicted the all-out on the Warriors. And that was once again a good, intelligent kabaddi play. And unfortunately, in this edition, we don't have a partner who can be praised for the good thinking of these players. Previously, Abhi Kumar, now Ranjit. Well, I would say, Ryan, you know what? The storytelling important. I think our graphical operator has just forgotten that in this edition. I haven't seen that at all. Ryan, have you? Don't be diplomatic now. Don't be diplomatic. No, I've had enough of you and your big friend Harshit of diplomacy.
Let it out.
Right corner
1
comes
point.
in, angle hold. Look
Kurukshetra
who's that?
Warriors.
Karambir Thakur. He's done good.
We will see the second all-out being inflicted in the same game, and
1
the
plus 2, 3
fact that
points.
it is the
Kurukshetra
Kurukshetra
Warriors.
Warriors
All
who's
out.
inflicting
Palni
it,
Tuskers.
that says a lot about how they.
I think it's a super 10. Yeah, it's a super 10. And another ankle hold. Well, again after the all-in.
Red and out.
What is happening with the...
It is important to allow the game to continue because you don't want blood falling around or going on the cameras. So good job by Sagar Panchal also to quickly address the issue and talk. And here once again the issue continues for the
1
Palni
point.
Tuskers. Naveen, they haven't
Palni
scored. It was
Tuskers.
20 when the all-out
Number
was
7.
inflicted.
Number
And
7.
after the all-in, this is
Number
11
7.
straight points. Or this is the first point for the Palni Tuskers
No
after
foul
10 straight points that
Last
they
warning.
conceded. Well, I think even Rohit Sharawat's hi-fi proved
Yeah.
to be very vital because he has contributed effectively. But here,
Bonus
the
plus 2
defense
points. Palni Tuskers.
Falling prey to Shaktivel Thangavelu.
Number
2
10
important
and
points.
14 out.
Coming off. Oh, it's 3. It's a couple of touch points along with the bonus. A super 8 for Palni. And they've immediately come back into the game, Naveen.
Yeah, true, because bonus is on, because Sahil Ari is considered to be on the mat,
Great.
because he's been getting bandaged and no substitution. We expected this to be a cool game. It's 28 apiece. I thought the rampaging elephants will just run over the Warriors, but no. The story is completely different. Sachin Jagbir, Rohit Sharawat, everybody being the stars. And the coach getting a yellow card because it is more an all out. And Sahil Ari's substitution. Now it will be an all out as Ankit Daya gets trapped
Red
in.
out. Bonus point. Kurukshetra Warriors. 1 + 2 3 points. Palni Tuskers. All out. Kurukshetra
Naveen.
Warriors.
I just don't know what is Kurukshetra Warriors done, especially they had a 10-0 run.
Yeah, true. But I'll tell you what. Palni Tuskers somehow are holding a lead onto this match. My God, this is going to be really, really interesting. Back kick. Ankle hold attempted. Has he got 2 points? Ranjit Madan Mogan, how many?
Red
2
out.
points.
2 points.
Well,
Palni Tuskers. Number 13 and 2 out.
well, first a back kick. Our official medical partner, yeah, they've just patched him up once again. No, you correctly brought up a point there, Ryan. You know, where you said, I don't know what went wrong, but yeah, he's just got tackled in the chain. Abhi
Red
Kumar
out.
and
1
everybody
point.
just getting
Palni
tackled in the
Tuskers.
chain. Sachin Jagbir has just been sent off. I think Abhi Kumar will probably be penalized for a little neck holding. This is his second green card. Oh, well, hang on.
Number 3, green
Second
card.
green card of the
Neck holding.
match. Now, what does that mean? Second green card of the match for.
I mean, at this point, the game is all about being calm, holding on to your nerves. Kurukshetra Warriors need to throw it away. The fact that they had a big lead. At one point, I thought it was their game to lose, and it still stands that way because they played so well. But
Red out,
here,
red
the
out.
dash was spectacular. And
1
Karandeep
point.
Thakur, after
Palni
being
Tuskers.
declared out, tries to crawl his way through. But it stays as a point for the Palni Tuskers.
Yeah, and in a sensible way, I doubt it.
Anyhow, it's so nice how this game has put us through every aspect of Kabaddi knowledge, be it with regards to a card and how the game prevails, how the players are out for 2 minutes. We've seen it
Oh,
happen.
wait. Hang on there, Ryan. I'm so sorry to interrupt you. I'm really sorry to interrupt you. Sachin Jagbir.
Review unsuccessful. 2 points. Kurukshetra Warriors.
Yeah, मैं क्या बोला था, Ryan?
Kurukshetra Warriors.
This
No
is what
review, so
happens.
No more review.
After the officials get together and talk, all the teams, please go back to your hotel rooms. Take this as a big, big learning curve. Don't lose your review.
A few more points. We will see him come back for the raid later on. But we're into the last 2 minutes, and we know that any successful raid from here on is definitely going to put pressure on the team that has to trail.
I will vouch for a tie. Now I will tell you what. I am never a firm confirmer of that, and it should be rated out. It is definitely rated out. Kesavan Raja was trying to get through the midline, but the dash
out.
was so
1 point.
strong.
Kurukshetra
It was that
Warriors.
cohesive effort from the Warriors. This right knee. I will get the information from Bhumanand Hospitals and Sai Institute of Paramedical Sciences and Allied Sciences. But you know what? Ranjit Madan Mogan has been given the instruction for. Left cover will come to you. Escape from there and attack the left corner. But Ranjit Madan Mogan, has he got a toe touch?
Palni Tuskers.
Palni Tuskers wanted a bonus as well.
Review.
Yeah, they will go for a review.
Review. Unsuccessful. No bonus. Only 1 point.
Ah,
Palni
only
Tuskers.
one
Palni
toe
Tuskers.
touch. Only
Service over.
one
No
toe
point.
touch. Oh my God. They lose the review.
Substitution. Palni Tuskers.
There
16
and
out.
only on that
One in.
right corner, it was Sangam Om Prakata. And they want to go back, is it? They will attempt a bonus. Ranjit Madan Mogan. He looks at his coach. Karnan does not say anything. He attempts a bonus again. Now, are they allowing a bonus? Are they allowing a bonus here? Now don't tell me, since because I called for a tie, they want to give me a tie. No! No, don't do this. It is a tie. It should be a tie. It is 38 apiece. What a match of all sorts that we have seen in the Yuva All-Stars Championship. Well, a deserving tie. Quickly tell me a name.